Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create forms and assignments in Weebly. First, log into your account and go to your site editor. Now, once inside, to create a form, on the left panel, under the elements, go and click on Show All. Then for here, scroll down until you see the Contact Form element. To add that to your website, go to the section where you want it to be. Then, just simply drag that element to that section. And as you can see, you now have a contact form. You can click on it so that you can customize it, like the field name, by changing that to what you need. For example, I'm gonna change this name field and add in first. And as you can see, it will now be changed. You can also do that to the other fields. If you want to add another field, you can simply drag in this short text box to your form, and now you can add a title for it. Now, you can also add different elements for that contact form. Once done, you can go and save it at the top right. Now, for the assignments, you will need to do the same. So just go and drag in a contact form. But the main difference here is for the assignment form, there is an upload button. So to have that, click on your form. Then on the left side, you will see here a file upload option where you can just drag it to your contact form. But for here, you need to upgrade to a plan. But once done, you can just easily drag that element. So now, you can also go and change the field titles of that assignment form and also add in a title for that. For example, is assignment. Now, you can also go and delete some fields if you don't need them. You can also go click on the button and change the text and the alignment of it. But that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.